If you're dealing with dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, or unwanted odors in your home, an air purifier can be a really helpful addition. But this one caught my attention because it's not just designed to help clean the air, it also looks good while doing it. This is the Forste Air Purifier, and today I'm going to show you what it offers, how the smart features work, how quiet it is, and whether I think it's worth considering for your home. The first thing I noticed about the Forste is the design. We've got this wood and black finish that gives it a much more premium, furniture-like appearance than a lot of air purifiers I've seen. It's designed around a Scandinavian aesthetic combined with Japanese technology, and I think it makes sense for a product that's going to be sitting out in your living room or your bedroom. Setup is straightforward. You install the filter, plug it in, and you're ready to go. And this is designed for much more than just a small bedroom. Forste says it can refresh spaces up to 1,237 square feet, so it's intended for larger living spaces, home offices, bedrooms, and more. Now let's get into the most important part, the filtration. The Forste uses an H13 HEPA filter that's designed to capture 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. That includes common airborne particles like dust, pollen, pet dander, and dust mites. And there's also a carbon filter, which is designed to help with smoke and odors. So if you have pets, you're dealing with cooking smells, or you simply want to reduce airborne particles around your home, you've got both particle filtration and odor-focused filtration working together. Forste also says it can purify a 148 square foot bedroom in about 5 minutes while refreshing larger spaces hourly. One of my favorite features here is the PM 2.5 laser sensor. Instead of simply running at one speed all the time, the purifier can monitor the air quality and then kick on in real time. You've got an indicator that gives you a quick visual idea of your current air quality, and in auto mode, the purifier can automatically adjust its operation when it detects changes in the air. So, for example, if you're cooking and smoke or particles enter the air, the purifier can detect that change and respond. That's convenient because you can basically set it and let the purifier manage itself instead of constantly adjusting the fan speed. Another big question with any type of purifier is how loud is it? Because if you're putting this in your bedroom, you don't want a loud fan just constantly keeping you awake. The Forste has a sleep mode that's rated as low as 20 decibels, and it also dims the display at night. So you don't have a bright display lighting up your room while you're trying to sleep. And if you're into smart home products, the Forste also has Wi-Fi connectivity. You can connect it to the Smart Life app and control the purifier from your phone. So you can adjust the settings remotely and create schedules based on your routine. You could have it running during specific times of the day, or control it without having to get up and walk over to the unit. So what's my overall impression? I think the Forste is a strong option if you're looking for an air purifier that combines serious filtration with smart features and also just doesn't look out of place in your home. You've got H13 HEPA filtration, carbon filtration, real-time PM 2.5 monitoring, auto mode, a really quiet sleep mode, Wi-Fi app control, and coverage that's designed for larger spaces. And personally, I like that it doesn't force you to choose between functionality and appearance. So if you want to check out the Forste Air Purifier for yourself, I'll put the links down in the description. And you can use code HELLO10 for 10% off plus free shipping. So if you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.